Hi y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. I hope that you are ready for the weekend and have lots of fun crafting projects that you want to do and get done. Today I am with my design team project for Doreen at Oohlala Vintage Treasures, and I'm using the Empress Teacups and Pearls kit. Okay, so I used the, I have you up close, so I have to remember that. You're closer than usual. I used the HP Insta Ink box, and I put a magnet on it. I took off, what did I take off? I took off something. Now I have to get a box to see what I did. But, oh, the little sides that go in here, I took those off. So I put a magnet here and here. I put a magnet under the paper and it wasn't strong enough, so I had to put this one, but you can't see it. And this closes up really easy and the magnet works. So we have her beautiful papers all around. And then we have some lace trim with some pearls. And the pretty flower on top. And Doreen recently sent me a Happy Mail, and she sent me all of these little bits, and that's what I made the box for. All of these little bits that she sent me to use. Aren't they just so fun? Look at this. This is my favorite. This little polka dotted fabric that's all frayed and made into a ruffle. Is that not cute? Oh, I love it. That's my favorite piece. But look at all of these pieces. You can make so many little tassels with them. Look at that. It's all sparkly. Yeah, if you saw the video, I go through each piece. It's Happy Mail from Doreen. You have to go watch the video if you haven't seen it. And I love this piece of fabric. So that's what I made this for. And then we have a couple of little bigger pieces in there. Just a couple. This is for my little bits. So then this whole thing was on a package. Not this. I just love this, so I tied it on there. But this whole clip was on a package. I think I want that up front. From Doreen, and it says Precious Bits. Isn't that adorable? With this pretty bow. Look at that bow she made. That is like so simple, but yet you don't think about it. And it was on this clip, so I put that there because that tells me that it's Precious Bits inside here. Is that not the cutest? So that will stay on my desk as a reminder to use these. And then I had this box. Now I didn't do a whole lot. I probably will add some Precious Bits on it. Maybe I'll do that, add a little thing over here. But again, I used the papers. This is an old, I forgot to do the bottom. This has been a crazy week, but that's what it is. Big box. And covered it in paper and put a couple of different laces on here. This I am deciding, it's either gonna hold, like these are Doreen's Polaroids that I want to be able to use all of the time. Also in her digital kits, there are so many pieces that you can't possibly use all of them in the one journal that you make with it. And so there are pieces that can be used for any project. And here. So I thought about having this box. I have these all, but look at the ladies. So the ones I don't use, put them in here. So that's what I'm thinking of this. So I'm either gonna do that with this box, which is most likely what I'm gonna do, because they can all stand up here and I can file through them and see what I want to use. Or I'll use it for my appliques. But I think I'm gonna use it for these. And this is pretty much ready to go. So short and sweet. Just some ideas of what to do with your boxes. And I like the magnet idea. It keeps that down for sure. And having this little bits over here is so cute. Little precious bits. And that's from one of her kits. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you make some boxes out of these digitals and beautiful laces and share them with me. I would love to see them. So until next time, have a great day. Bye, guys.